In the course of writing this judgment, the court observed with concern some commentaries on the pending judgment carried out in the social media by some counsel, some of whom are appearing in this matter. The contents of those social media commentaries were, in our view, meant to influence, intimidate, or scandalize the court. This unfortunate practice is emerging, and unless it is checked, it will erode the confidence and the dignity of the courts. It would also amount to unprofessional conduct, especially by counsel appearing in this matter, and even counsel who are not in this matter, but know very well that they cannot comment on a matter that is pending judgment. It is a well-established practice that counsel and indeed parties should refrain from directly or indirectly trying to improperly influence the court to rule in one way or the other. Once judgment has been reserved and judges retreated to consider submissions and write judgment, learned counsel Mr. Nelson Havi and Ms. Esther Angawa, who appeared for the first to the fifth respondents, took to the social media, Twitter, on different occasions. On 19th February and 15th February 2022, and they cast aspersions on the courts. For counsel to appear before the apex court, then proceed to hurl unnecessary diatribe, insults, and speculations on a pending judgment amounts to unethical conduct on the part of the counsel. The use of social media to disparage the court with the intention of lowering the dignity and the authority of the court or influencing the outcome of the case pending before the court is a trespass on the bounds of legitimate advocacy and moves to the realm of professionalism to professional misconduct. This is in line with the provisions of Section 61 of the Advocates Act that deals with dishonorable conduct incompatible with the status of an advocate. Equally culpable is the conduct of Senior Counsel Mr. Ahmednassir Abdullahi, who, though not counsel appearing in this matter, took the lead role in disparaging and besmashing the court as evidence from his posts on Twitter on 8th February 2022, 15th February, and even as late as yesterday, the 29th March 2022. Section 17 of the Advocates Act envisages the rank and dignity of senior counsel is conferred on the basis of irreproachable professional conduct and exemplary service to the legal and public service in Kenya. These standards are expected to continue even after conferment of the rank of the senior counsel. Advocates should familiarize themselves with the Code of Standards of Professional Practice and Ethical Conduct, Gazette Notice number 5212, and strive to conduct themselves in a manner that preserve and strengthen the dignity, the honor, and the ethics of the profession. Consequently, advocates should refrain from conduct that amounts to indirectly attempting to influence decisions pending before courts. Relevant to the use of social media, we wish to draw the attention of advocates to the standard of professional practice and ethics conduct number 10 that spells out what is inappropriate conduct. This caution should always play in the mind of advocates who are tempted to utilize social media to advance their cause.